Hello, everybody. Welcome once again to Sashakt Empowering Lives. I am Rajni Singh, yet another time with yet another video to help you manage your child with autism. So, for all the new people, a quick introduction. I am a special educator, 18 years of work experience, now 24,000 plus families on various programs of ours all across the world. What do? We teach autism and how to parent a child with autism to conclusion, which means to success. From where do I get my confidence? From my own son and thousands of students who are now successful. So, without any further delay, let us very quickly get started on today's topic. What are we going to do today? Today, we will talk how do you teach colors to your child on the autism spectrum. So, when you want to teach colors, you will take one color, preferably red. Now, I have started with pink, but this is just to give you a demo. What you're going to do is you cut white strips of paper, okay? All of them white, yeah? And you place them on a table. And now you start moving. So you say touch pink and take the child's hand and take it here. Remember, you start with red, but for purpose of demonstration, I'm doing pink. So I'll say pink. And you say, now touch pink. Wow. Okay, now touch pink. Now touch pink. Now touch pink. Now where is pink? So the child begins to follow wherever this strip goes. This is your step 1. After this, you will do with different things. Give me the pink flower. Pink flower. So now you will start. Now here we had simple white colored squares. Now we have the shape of a flower. So we will say touch pink flower. Touch pink flower. Okay, pink flower. Now touch pink flower. Pink flower. Now touch pink flower. Pink flower. Now where did the pink flower go? Here. Pink flower. So like this you will start giving different now you can do it with cups. So you are going to have to give different combinations to the child. Now touch pink cup. All right, where did the pink cup go? So when you give practice like this, the child begins to then understand the pinkiness of pink. Like, what does really pink mean? Because the flower was pink, all others were white. The square box was pink, all others were white. The cup is pink and all others were white. And like this, now you can keep on adding. You can say, okay, give me the pink ball, like this. After a while, you will see the child will begin to identify pink. Now you will add just about another, give me a green ball. Yeah. So you'll add just about another color. And now you will say, touch pink ball, and the child will come here and not touch this, because the pinkiness of pink has been established in the head of the child. Like this you will do with other colors also. I hope this video helped you. In case you want to learn more of such like concepts and go deep into autism specific teaching techniques, please feel free to join our live that happens every Tuesday 7 to 7:30 p.m. on Instagram, YouTube and YouTube Hindi, where we discuss about autism and sometimes techniques, sometimes other things about language, about social. The links and the handles are mentioned in the description box below. Also, if you want to go deep down into autism, understand how your child's brain works, teach your child according to autism specific techniques, then come on in and join our autism masterclass. This happens 7 to 9:30 every Thursday or Friday. The link to this is also given in the description box below. Guys, get a hold over autism, fully knowing that your child is capable of learning everything, provided you know how to teach. I shall meet you next time with yet another video.